This is a BT 5.1 Bluetooth adapter. I am installing it on my PC. After installing the Bluetooth adapter on your PC, Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 10. If Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 10 after installing the Bluetooth adapter, let's see how to fix it. Remove the Bluetooth adapter from here. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC. After plugging the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC, go to your PC. If Bluetooth is still not showing up on your PC, go to the second method. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Device Manager. Look for the Bluetooth option. If the Bluetooth adapter is disabled from here, enable it again. Sometimes Bluetooth is not visible even after installing the Bluetooth adapter, because it is disabled from here. After enabling from here, Bluetooth will now be visible on the PC. Bluetooth is now visible in Windows 10.